Hello everyone, in today's video we want to show you the difference between send, call and transfer. All of these are possibilities of transfer funds in Solidity Ethereum smart contracts. First of all, let's go to the contract auction. Here we have send. So you have to check if send is success with require because it will not revert transaction by itself. Changes made to the contract will be reverted when failed. And here we have the require while we're checking that, and also we are using send to send the money. Let's deploy the contract. Let's check if it actually works. The funds were created that they should go to the owner.send, and that's what happened. The second one is token exchange. Here we have the call situation. So we have three different scenarios. First of all, we have the call function where we pass the address, external, and amount. It's of course payable because we want to send away. And here also you have the require situation. So it returns boolean. In call you have to use require to make contract state revert in case of failure. And here we are passing empty bytes in the first scenario. In the second scenario, on the other hand, we have the call with return, where we interact with external function, which is return stuff. Let's scroll down and see how it looks like. So it returns uint and boolean, 10 and true. Okay, let's go back. Wanted to show you that only. And here also is the same situation where we create the data as a bytes. And also we are checking the call, and then we are changing the state. The third option, call with mint, we are interacting with other functionality, external functionality, which is mint, and let's see how it looks like. So it reverts, it says wrong as a string. Okay, so let's deploy the contract and check how it works in action. We need to also deploy the receiver, as you could see, because it interacts with external functionalities. We'll use the address receiver as one argument, and let's pass the amount. And also let's create the message value. Okay, after the transaction, let's check the balance of the address we are interacting with. So as you can see, it got the funds, all passes as it should, and also you have the empty bytes. Nothing changes here. As you can see, 0x. Okay, let's call with the third. Yes, call with return. Let's do the same. Let's pass the address and amount. Also, we will call 100 as a value. And this one passes all the data as it should and also creates the bytes. So the funds should be more on the address we are interacting with. As you can see, it changed to 200. That's great. And also let's check the bytes. As you can see, bytes are hard to be read. So we extracted the boolean and the number in this function. Boolean true and number 10. As you could also see in the function that we showed you previously. It returns 10 and true. Okay, let's interact with the third function now. The same scenario. Let's check what happens after we pass 100 way as a message value. As you could see, the balance of the contract that we are interacting from changed because it reverts, so the funds will not go to the contract we wanted to interact with. In this scenario, you can see that there's still 200 ways. The third one is the transfer. It's about contract crowdfunding. So you don't have to use the require here, but you can. The transfer verifies by itself. It's automatic. So what we do here, we are passing the address payable wallet, and we are simply getting this wallet and transferring the funds. So let's deploy the contract. Now we want to pass the value. And as it is, the wallet got the funds, and that would be it. So remember the differences we mentioned about the transfer, call, and send. From those three options, the call is most recommended because you can access the boolean, you can easily pass the gas value, and also you can easily interact with other functionalities via bytes, via ABI encoded with signature. That would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe if you have a question. Leave that to us and we will try to answer to it. Thank you once more. See you soon. Bye.